Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 21 how to add a voting poll to your account on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Twitter, make sure you're signed into the account, and then go to your profile, click on tweet. And now we can go to 1, 2, 3, the voting poll. Ask a question. What is the greatest subject? And then add the options, computer science, computing, and then we can choose the length of the poll. Let's keep it to 1 day. Tweet, and now we have a voting poll that asks the question, what is the greatest subject? The users can choose computer science and computing. You can have the option to add more if required. Go back to your profile, quit Safari. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.